In the interest of justice, the relevant Philippine authorities may dispense with the investigation or prosecution of crime punishable under this act. If another court or international tribunal is already conducting the investigation, undertaking the prosecution of such crime, instead, the authorities may surrender. Yan yung paulit-ulit na sinasabi. Yung authority daw may surrender or extradite suspect or accused person in the Philippines to appropriate international court. Tumitigil na sila dyan. Kasi makakakita ng dun sa batas, tumitigil na sila dun. Hindi nila sinasama tong if any or to another state pursuant. Ito yung pinaka-conclusion pursuant to the applicable extradition laws and treaties. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Yung pursuant to the applicable extradition laws and treaties. Ang ibig sabihin lang yan simple-simple. Kailangan sumang-ayon ito sa extradition laws and treaties. Pag hindi dapat sundin. Kasi nga, pursuant to the applicable extradition laws. Ang tanong, meron ba? Wala. Malinaw po, sinasabi nga ni Senator Marcoleta, wala. Kasi in every law, there should be an IRR, Implementing Rules and Regulation. Ano hong halimbawa nito? Alam nyo po ba na meron na tayong anti-dynasty law? Pero bakit di nasusunod? Kasi wala pa pong IRR yan. Wala pang Implementing Rules and Regulation. Kung papaano, hindi porket batas na yan, yun na yun. Kailangan may susundin. Napaka-importante ho dito, yung pursuant to applicable extradition laws and treaties. Wala pa nga po Pangalawa, wala po tayong treaty sa ICC. ICC is not a country. Ang treaties is only for countries. Kung meron tayong treaty doon sa particular na bansa na yun, pwede pa as long as there is an applicable extradition laws. Ang problema nga, wala.